Imagine walking into a subway station, your hand reflexively checking your pocket or bag to ensure everything's in place. Keys, wallet, phone, maybe even a multi-tool or flashlight. Now ask yourself, how much of what you're carrying is out of necessity and how much is out of habit? Everyday carry, or EDC, isn't just about tools. It's a reflection of how we prepare for life's unknowns. But is EDC really about preparedness? Or have we been pulled into a design trend that fuels over-preparation and material consumption? Stick around to find out how this movement evolved, what smart design goes into it, and why minimalism might be the future of EDC. Let's dive in. Before we dive in, please quickly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support makes a difference, allowing us to keep bringing you fresh, exciting content. Plus, it helps our community grow. Thanks for being part of it. The concept of everyday carry has roots dating back centuries. Warriors carried weapons and tools, and travelers ensured they had flint, knives, and maps. But today's EDC movement isn't just about survival. It's about convenience, efficiency, and, some would argue, personal expression. So, how did EDC evolve from simple necessities to a curated collection of gear, often with price tags to match? After World War II, soldiers returned home with habits ingrained from military life, always being prepared. As consumerism rose in the late 20th century, so did the appetite for specialized products, leading to a boom in custom and designer tools that promised more than mere functionality. Fast forward to today, and social media platforms like Instagram and Reddit have created communities that elevate EDC to an almost cult-like status. With influencers posting their sleek, well-arranged kits, the appeal has moved beyond survivalists and prepper communities to the mainstream. This shift has led to a fine line between practical necessity and a fashion statement. Now, let's talk about design. Because trust me, it's an art. Every pocket knife, wallet, or key organizer is designed with purpose. Designers need to make sure these items are portable, durable, and versatile. But balancing all three, that's no easy task.
Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.
Designing EDC items is an art form. Every component of your pocket knife, wallet, or key organizer is meticulously crafted with specific purposes in mind: portability, durability, and versatility. One of the biggest design challenges for EDC manufacturers is striking the perfect balance between form and function. For example, multi-tools like the popular Leatherman or Victorinox Swiss Army knives pack various tools into a compact form. But this requires smart design choices. They must be lightweight enough to be portable, yet robust enough to withstand daily use. Designers often debate over which material to use. Should the item prioritize being lightweight, like titanium, or ultra-durable, like stainless steel? The materials matter, but so does the function. Engineers and designers focus on ensuring that items are easy to carry, intuitive to use, and adaptable to modern-day needs. Wallets, for instance, have evolved from bulky leather billfolds to minimalist RFID blocking designs to protect against identity theft. This level of detail means designing something as small as a pen or a wallet can take months of testing, tweaking, and prototyping. In recent years, a shift toward minimalism has reshaped how people think about EDC. The idea is simple: carry fewer items but ensure that each item has multiple functions. Instead of a bulky wallet, opt for a slim card holder. Rather than a key ring with every key you've ever owned, choose a compact key organizer. This minimalism trend is not just about decluttering. It's about efficiency and intent. By carrying fewer, better-designed items, proponents argue that you free yourself from unnecessary burdens, both physically and mentally. The popularity of minimalism within the EDC community speaks to a larger societal desire to reduce waste and focus on quality over quantity. Yet this also opens up debates. Are we minimizing, or are we just buying more expensive, sleek versions of what we already have? One of the unique aspects of EDC is the ability to customize your kit to match your lifestyle. Every individual's setup can be completely different, reflecting their personal needs, preferences, and even tastes. Customization is so integral to the EDC community that entire markets have sprung up around producing personalized or modular tools. For example, key organizers have gone from simple rings to intricate systems that can hold USB sticks, mini flashlights, or even mini tools. Similarly, multi-tools have evolved into modular gadgets where users can choose which attachments they need most, creating an incredibly personalized utility tool. However, the rise of customization also has its downsides. In some cases, it can push individuals into the trap of buying unnecessary gadgets that clutter their setup instead of optimizing it. This over-customization feeds into the broader culture of consumerism within the EDC community, where enthusiasts feel compelled to constantly upgrade or change their gear. Cultural influences and world events have had a significant impact on EDC trends. After September 11th, for example, security changes drastically reshaped what people could carry. The rise of TSA-friendly items became a must for frequent travelers. Multi-tools were redesigned to be TSA-compliant, with blades removed and features like screwdrivers, scissors, and bottle openers made accessible. At the same time, the surge of DIY and maker culture encouraged people to design and personalize their own EDC items. Platforms like Kickstarter became fertile ground for innovative EDC designs, where everyday people backed projects for the next greatest pen or pocket tool. The influence of tech and smart devices also began to seep into the EDC world. Now, we see multi-tools with integrated USB drives, smart wallets with tracking devices, and minimalist pens designed to write on any surface. The once purely practical world of EDC has expanded into the tech-savvy future, blending utility with the power of connectivity. One of the most intriguing aspects of EDC is the real-world stories of how these simple tools can make a big impact. For instance, survivalists and outdoor adventurers often share stories of how a simple multi-tool or flashlight helped them navigate dangerous or unforeseen circumstances. A knife used to cut a seatbelt in a car crash, or a fire starter that helped stranded hikers light a fire in freezing conditions. These stories showcase the true value of EDC items beyond their sleek designs. It's not just life or death situations either. EDC also includes items designed for efficiency in everyday life, like the commuter, who uses a slim, multifunctional key organizer to quickly unlock their home, office, and bike lock. Even those who don't engage in life-threatening situations find value in the simplicity and utility of their well-chosen gear, proving that EDC tools can have a positive impact in mundane situations too. The future of EDC will undoubtedly see tech innovations continuing to shape what we carry and how we use it. Imagine EDC items designed by AI, tools perfectly optimized for individual needs, dynamically adjusting based on your activities. Or envision a world where cities become entirely cashless and physical wallets become obsolete. We could even see more integration of renewable energy sources. Solar-powered flashlights, kinetic energy-powered batteries, or multi-tools that convert movement into electrical power might become mainstream. The future of EDC might not just be about carrying items for convenience. It could be about harnessing technology to create self-sustaining systems. While EDC is often touted as a practical, minimalist lifestyle, critics argue that the culture surrounding it can sometimes encourage overconsumption. The constant desire to upgrade, try the latest tool, or buy into the newest brand can lead to purchasing more than we need. Additionally, there's the psychological aspect. Does the need to carry so many tools reflect a deeper anxiety about modern life? Are we over-preparing for situations that may never occur? This is a question that resonates with many who've fallen into the trap of buying the latest and greatest EDC gear only to realize it sits unused in their pocket or bag. One area often overlooked in EDC discussions is the role of material science in advancing the quality and functionality of everyday carry items. The use of materials like titanium, carbon fiber, and G10, a high-pressure fiberglass laminate, ensures that EDC gear remains durable yet lightweight. These materials are not just selected for aesthetics but for their performance under extreme conditions. For example, titanium's strength-to-weight ratio makes it ideal for knives and pens, offering robustness without the bulk. Meanwhile, G10's grippy texture makes it a popular choice for knife handles, providing extra grip even in wet conditions. Carbon fiber, with its ultra-light properties, is frequently used in wallets, making them more portable without sacrificing durability. Ultimately, the design of EDC reflects not just our practical needs, but our desires, fears, and values. What you carry every day speaks to your preparedness, your lifestyle, and even your identity. As technology advances and design continues to evolve, so too will the items in our pockets and bags. But before you run off to buy the next sleek multi-tool, stop and think. Do you need it? Or has the culture of EDC pulled you into a trend-driven cycle of consumption? Take a look at your current EDC kit and ask yourself, what's truly essential? Are you ready for anything or just following the latest craze? So, what's in your EDC kit? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the design behind everyday essentials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.